Mabuhay ka, turista! Good morning and welcome aboard. I will be your tour guide for today and you will call me Kuya DJ. And this is brought to you by Luna Travel Agency. Here beside me is our lovely coach captain, Kuya Mo, and our tour coordinator, Sir Tito. So, let's start with the head count, 1, 2, 3, and complete. Don't forget our bus number 224. Synchronize your time with my time. It's now 7:30 a.m. Before we start with our tour, I will remind you of a few things during our tour. First is to remain seated during our tour. If you have any concerns or questions, please do not hesitate to call my attention. Second, our tour guides have medicines with us. If you have any medical concerns or emergencies, please do call my attention. I'll be happy to assist. Lastly, a reminder to leave nothing but memories. During our tour, please refrain from littering to maintain cleanliness in our environment. Get ready for a vibrant journey through Calbayog, Samar, a city brimming with history, culture, and natural beauty. We are now arriving at Calbayog, Samar. Calbayog City, located in the Samar province in the eastern Visayas region of the Philippines. It is a significant coastal city. Calbayog boasts a substantial land area, making it one of the largest cities in the Philippines. Its coastal location on the Samar Sea provides access to beaches and marine activities, while inland areas feature rolling hills, mountains, and lush rainforests. The city is situated along the Calbayog River, which flows into the Samar Sea. As you can see on your left-hand side is the Calbayog River. The airport primarily serves domestic flights. Airlines like Serco and Philippine Airlines offer connections to major hubs such as Cebu and Manila. The airport has undergone significant improvements. A new passenger terminal and runway extensions were completed in 2021, allowing larger aircraft to operate such as the Airbus A320. This expansion significantly increased the airport's capacity and improved passengers' experience. Calbayog Airport plays a crucial role in connecting Samar to the rest of the Philippines. The recent upgrades have modernized the facility, making travel to and from Calbayog more convenient and efficient. As you can see on your right-hand side is the Calbayog River, a significant waterway in Calbayog City, Samar, Philippines. The river flows through Calbayog City and empties into the Samar Sea. Its location at the mouth of the river contributes to Calbayog City's status as a coastal city and port. The river likely serves as a source of fresh water for the city and surrounding areas. It may also be a source of livelihood for some residents through fishing or other water-related activities. The river's proximity to the city center suggests it may have played a historical role in the city's development as a transportation route or source of resources. As you can see on your left-hand side is the Samar Archaeological Museum. First opened its doors on April 11, 1970. It was the first museum to open and it's currently the only museum in operation on Samar Island. The museum displays a collection of archaeological artifacts including burial jars and towers, log coffins, jarrets, cups, house, saucers, and dishes dating back to the 14th century. Also on display are old coins, heirlooms, old household items, religious items such as saints, altar, chalices, and monstrance. It offers a glimpse into the lives of the local people in the earlier times. We are now approaching Danau Cave, an awe-inspiring geological marvel in Calbayog, which stands as a testament to the intricate beauty of nature. This underground wonder hidden beneath the lush greenery of Samar Island reveals a captivating world of stalactites and stalagmites that have illuminated by the soft glow of strategically placed lights. The cave's breathtaking formation create a surreal and otherworldly atmosphere. We are now arriving for our last destination, Macasog Spring, a bubbling hot spring which provides a therapeutic and relaxing experiences. Surrounded by dense greenery and rich flora, this oasis offers a serene escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. Many believe that warm, mineral-rich waters of Macasog Spring possesses healing properties. Thus, it attracts individuals seeking physical and mental rejuvenation to this popular destination, whether looking to unwind in nature's embrace or seeking relief from elements. Mapaso Spring promises an unforgettable and relaxing experience. We are now at the end of our tour, and we hope that you enjoyed our tour. During our tour, we visited a lot of beautiful places and attractions from Calbayog Summer. Before leaving the bus, please double-check your belongings. Let us give thanks to our lovely coach captain, Kuya Otto, for helping us with our tour, and our tour coordinator, Sir Kiki. Once again, I am Kuya DJ, and thank you to the Luna Travel Agency for making this tour memorable. If you wish to travel again with us, you may contact us on our FB page, Luna Travel Agency. Thank you, our lovely tourists, and have a good day.